Story time. Food for thought. What if I told you about the tale of two cities, known as the water world, which is Atlantis, and known as the physical plane, which is Earth, is, guess what? Earth, which is fire. Water and fire at odds with each other. Even though the Earth is the physical plane, destroyed the waters from within. You got to remember, the lowest part of the hemisphere, as we go deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper, it is a source of fire and that boiling flame. And as it erupts, just like a volcano, if you know anything about volcanoes, and it produces land, which we know as the earth heats up, it accumulates fire. And as the air continues to become more and more humidity, it takes away and robs it from the oxygen. That means it makes it hard for you and I to breathe. But it needed these elements by heating itself within to create the land, you see, that you and I dwell on. Now the old world, which is the underworld that we know as Atlantis, and this is the tale of the two cities. Atlantis ruled at one time until it had to fall. And due to the rise and fall of two tales of two cities, is when Atlantis flooded itself, it couldn't control the water within, the fire within. That means as the water continued to boil, heat up at a certain Fahrenheit, it created this dry land that you and I walk on. We know as stones and coals today, and bricks. You see, you have to know your science, especially study the volcano. And even though the lava is hot, think about the underworld of Atlantis, who once was a thriving water city. And this is why we are water elements, before we came onto the hot surface of the fire. And now that we're here and we walk to and fro, what would you do with your water world if it was to arise again? And that is food for thought and something for you to think about.